Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best electric bikes that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is YYG Fat Tire Cool Electric Bike. The cool electric bike for adults with 1,200-watt motor and 20-inch fat tire design offers a new way to enjoy daily travel or off-road trips. Its 20-liter 48-volt battery supports a long ride distance, which helps in commuting or exploring different paths. The structure includes a dual shock absorber, which makes rides smoother even over uneven or rocky ground. The bike's strong aluminum frame holds up well through different road types such as snow, sand, or city streets. This electric bicycle is made for adult riders who prefer both power and balance during their journeys. It provides multiple speed levels and 3 different riding options, including pedal assist and pure electric mode. The upgraded version now has turning indicators and a more relaxed seat for better travel support. Whether the trip is through a busy city or on mountain routes, this ride offers consistent results. There is a dual braking system with hydraulic disc style on both front and rear wheels for extra safety. The bike is also fitted with high brightness lighting and a readable display to track ride data easily. Its fat tire design prevents slipping and makes it reliable in wet weather. Included items are a riding leather storage bag, charger, phone mount, and repair tools for basic use. This bike comes mostly assembled and also offers customer support within 1 day, along with a return policy and product guarantee for over 1 year, giving more confidence in the product purchase. In our list, the number 2 product name is Tomofree Fat Tire Classic Electric Bike. The classic electric bike for adults by Tomofree blends a vintage motorcycle style with modern electric riding technology. Its design reminds of older motorbikes while offering reliable cycling support for different outdoor routes. This electric motorbike has a powerful build suitable for riders who need dependable daily transport without dealing with fuel or parking issues. It supports weekend trips or urban rides with the same comfort and balance. This adult e-bike runs on a stainless steel frame with a strong foundation that holds steady through various paths. With fat tires measuring 20 by 4, it remains stable on uneven or slippery roads. Its body is built using an arc welding process and finished with a porcelain surface, offering a polished and firm structure. The wide tires help prevent skidding and ensure the rider stays balanced in different weather or surface types. Charging the battery takes 4 to 5 hours and gives enough energy for short and mid-range travel. Riders can remove the battery for easier recharging. With support for up to 350 pounds of weight, this bike fits a wide range of users. A bright front light and waterproof parts allow travel during rainy days or darker hours. The electric system includes a readable digital screen for checking speed and distance during rides. This bike comes with an artificial leather seat for better comfort during longer use. It offers a mix of style, power, and daily use that fits both city and trail riding plans. In our list, the number 3 product name is Vivi Electric Bicycles Commuter Ebike. Vivi Electric Bike for adults is designed to make outdoor travel and daily commuting more enjoyable. With a peak 780-watt motor and 26-inch wheels, this electric mountain bicycle supports both city rides and off-road adventures. Its aluminum frame helps keep it lightweight while still being strong enough for long-distance use. The included high-capacity 48-volt battery allows for extended riding time depending on terrain and user effort. This adult electric bicycle supports 21 speed options, giving better control for different road conditions. It comes with 5 ride settings that suit various user preferences. Riders can choose pedal assist, pure electric, cruise function, traditional pedaling, or walk support mode when climbing or pushing. These modes offer flexibility for fitness routines or simple travel. Charging the battery takes between 4 to 6 hours, and the removable design means it can be charged indoors without removing the entire bicycle. This adds extra safety for storage or use in shared areas. Front suspension helps reduce impact on bumpy roads, and the braking system gives reliable stopping ability on both flat and hilly paths. Riders can enjoy visibility during dark hours thanks to the included light, while the frame remains steady across different ground types. The electric bicycle also comes with basic parts like a charger and toolkit, and most of it arrives already set up. This certified ride offers a dependable experience for users who want comfort, function, and variety in their travel routine. In our list, the number 4 product name is Heybike Ranger S Fat Tire Electric Bike. Heybike Ranger S Electric Bike is built for adults who want strong power, smooth riding, and easy storage. With a peak 1400-watt motor and a removable 48-volt battery, this foldable bicycle supports long-distance travel while maintaining steady control. It runs smoothly over hills, streets, and rough trails, helping riders reach their destination with less effort. The battery allows extended travel, making it useful for daily trips or weekend outdoor adventures. The design includes fat tires measuring 20 by 4, which help reduce bumps and improve balance on various surfaces. Its step-through frame adds convenience for mounting, making it easier for different users to ride comfortably. Foldable structure allows compact storage in small spaces like car trunks or campers, which is helpful during road trips or limited parking situations. The hydraulic braking system gives strong and quick stopping power in wet or dry conditions, adding safety while riding in traffic or down slopes. Built with an aluminum frame, the electric bicycle is made to last and carry users across different terrain types without losing comfort or strength. This model supports control through a connected application that manages lock features, ride settings, and performance updates. The screen display helps track ride data like speed and battery level during use. With several ride modes and speed options, this electric bike gives flexibility and efficiency for work or leisure rides. Its mix of power, comfort, and smart features fits a modern rider's needs in all seasons and roads. In our list, the number 5 product name is ECOTRIC 26 Fat Tire Electric Bike. ECOTRIC 26 Fat Tire Electric Bike is made for adults who enjoy outdoor adventure and need reliable support on mountain paths, sandy areas, or snowy routes. With a 500-watt rear motor and strong aluminum frame, this electric bicycle helps riders travel long distances over uneven ground without too much effort. It is designed to work well in various conditions while offering comfort and balance during extended rides. The battery has a 36-volt 12.5 ampere-hour capacity and can be removed easily for charging at home or office. The full charge riding range depends on usage style but supports both short and long trips. Riders can switch between multiple ride modes including pedal assist, full electric, normal cycling, or walking speed support depending on the need. This electric mountain bicycle includes wide tires measuring 26 by 4 for better traction on snow, sand, or dirt trails. It holds steady during rough rides, and the front fork suspension helps reduce impact for a more stable experience. The built-in screen shows ride data such as speed or distance and includes a function for charging mobile devices. The 7-speed gear system allows more control during climbs or descents, helping the rider manage different terrains smoothly. Whether commuting through trails or exploring the outdoors for recreation, this bicycle delivers strength and versatility. It also comes mostly assembled, allowing faster setup and easier transport. The frame and core parts are backed by warranty for peace of mind and long-term use. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.